In the case that you have lost the master key, the master RFID key, or the master key is not functional, you can also use a set button at the back side of the outstation to enter the programming mode. Here, this is the programming mode. You can use this set button to enter it. To add ID text, a short press, you hear a long beep and it's fraction lights, which means it has already entered the adding mode. So you can swipe all the key tags one by one to program its RFID mode. Here it is adding the key to the outstation reader. After you have added all the keys, a short press to the system, which means you exit its program. Use the RFID key you just programmed to release the door lock. And if you would like to reset the outstation its RFID reader to the default setting, you can long press for 3 seconds of this set button, and then 3 short press. You will hear 3 long beep sound, which means all the RFID tag programmed into the system has been deleted and the outstation reader has returned to the default setting. Right? It cannot release the door lock.